Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here bringing another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Saturday. Today's video I want to talk about applying for jobs and being rejected. Obviously, if you make sure to know what to do, rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. So literally, I applied for a SOC analyst role. I'm not gonna tell you which company it is because I don't want to talk about bad about companies, but I literally applied for a job. I applied for a company, and within the first 5 minutes of that job, I was immediately rejected from that job. So has that ever happened to you where you apply for a job that you know you qualify for? You even check the qualifications and you meet 80% of the criteria, and for some odd reason they still reject you. Has that ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm not sure if that's just me or is that everyone else, or is it just I'm having that issue? I don't know, but that's my experience, and that's how it's been for me applying for jobs. And I'm going to show you what I do when it comes to applying for jobs. And I'm going to share my screen. So let me show you real quick. Screen one. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing. So I go on my browser, I go on my LinkedIn, and literally what I do is I go to jobs, see where it says jobs right here, and then I look at it, it says on-site, because I'm based in New York. You guys know I'm based in New York. So it's on-site cybersecurity administrator, security architect, head of information technology. I know I can't do any of these jobs. Like this one, for example, system administrator, I know I could do this job. So I will go click on it, right? It's easy apply. And then I'll look at the information. We are hiring. Our esteemed client is on the lookout for talented individuals to fill a crucial role in their dynamic team. Here's why you should be excited about this opportunity. 100% remote, blah, 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 blah. Right? It says install and configure software, hardware, manage network servers and technology tools, set up accounts and workstations, troubleshoot issues and outages, backups, firewalls. So this is like system admin and network admin. So I don't have it. I don't have any. I do have experience with backup and recovery, using Rubik is what I used before. And then intrusion detection system. So it could be any application. But that's basically what they're using. And then familiarity with various operators. So then what you do is like there's this thing, and I'll show you. So when you have I guess LinkedIn Premium, you could run an AI and it'll tell you if you're a good fit for this job or not. But let me go to another job just to show you how it works. So I know I could do that job. I applied to that job a while back and they never got back to me. Just so you guys are aware. That's why I'm not gonna apply to this job again because they never got back to me. So this is here where you're a top applicant. See these other ones? It says here MSP, cybersecurity. This is remote. This is on site. I'm trying to see if there's anything here that it's based in New York or it's remote that I know it could do. Okay, I'm not seeing anything here. Let me go back to jobs again. Uh, see here. So yeah, desktop support. You guys know I qualify for that because I have a lot of experience with desktop support. So it says Teams, Zoom, Office, Exchange, network connectivity, training, and then it's gonna take you to another page because this is not here. This is on Dice. And it says here's a contract for 11 months. Then what I'll do is when I see a job that I like, right? I look at the job requirements, and then what I do is I'll click on this. So it says here, am I a good fit? And this is premium. So premium, it's gonna scan your resume. It's gonna scan your not your resume. It's gonna scan the description of your job. Jobs. I can't talk. It's gonna scan the experience you have on your LinkedIn profile, and it's gonna say your profile meets many of the job requirements. I think you have a good chance of getting into. Here are some of the key points I found. I found you have technical training and speaking experience. Could be a valuable asset for this role. I found that you have cybersecurity identity access management. I found that you're proficient in Windows, Mac, systems, SCCM, Citrix, VMware, MFA. However, I noticed some potential gaps that you may want to address. I cannot find a college degree. So yeah, I don't have a degree, obviously. I cannot find an MCSE cert. Oh, that certification is old and outdated. That's like centuries ago. But yeah, this is what you use if you have premium. Um, yeah, and that's how it's been for me. Like I apply for a job and I qualify for the job and I get rejected immediately. So I like to know like how does that work with hiring managers and job recruiters and people that are hiring? Like I would love to know how that works because let me go on Indeed actually. See if there's any jobs available today. This is 1 day ago. This is New Jersey. This is 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 17 days ago, 2 days ago. Nope. All right. Now let me open up my tab here. I deleted it, but let me see something. I'm gonna go look for it. But I have some jobs here that I applied for on LinkedIn, and I got rejected immediately. Even though I know I could do the job, I got rejected immediately. So I'm not too sure how that works with jobs and rejection messages. I'm not sure if you guys have been if that's been happening to you, but I'm like 80% qualified for the job and then I get rejected immediately. So I'm not sure how do you guys, I'm gonna stop sharing. I don't know how you guys like measure the metric like the metrics. I'm not sure how the metrics works and the algorithm works because I apply for a job, I get rejected immediately. 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later, I get rejected immediately, despite having all the requirements. And then I get a referral too of people that I actually physically know me from conference events that I have gone to, and I apply for a job and I still get rejected immediately, even though I got a referral. So anyone that's watching this as a job recruiter or a hiring manager or someone that I guess is hiring, can you explain to me how that works? Because I qualify 80% of the job. B, I have a referral. And then C, my resume doesn't suck. I know my resume doesn't suck because I had a lot of people look at my resume that I know personally that are resume writers. They look at it, oh, your resume is good. I don't understand why people are saying no to you, or I don't understand what's going on with your resume, or So, but for anyone else who's watching this, has that ever happened to you? You apply for a job, you immediately get rejected, like 5 minutes later you get rejected, or not even 5 minutes later, like literally get like an order rejection email, and it doesn't make any sense. Like, look, you didn't even take the time to look at my resume. What the hell's going on over here? So for me, that anyone that's watching this video, anyone as a hiring manager or job recruiter, I'm gonna speak on behalf of the people that are applying for jobs. Can you please give people a chance? Like people that are brand new, that have a resume, the resume is decent, why not give them a chance instead of auto rejecting them? Give the person a chance. You don't even know who they are. Like A, you don't know who they are. B, you didn't even look at their resume. C, you don't even know what they could do, what they're capable of doing, right? And then D is obviously like bring them for an interview and see who they are, what their personality is. Like you don't know, right? You're just gonna reject them immediately. That's pretty messed up. I'm just saying. So I just wanted to make this video because I've been getting rejected a lot from some of these jobs, even though I have a lot of experience. So that says a lot about the job market. And I just wanted to make this video, and I want to hear people's thoughts and what they have to say and what they want to comment about, and tell me about, have you ever been rejected just like that immediately? I'd like to know about that. All right, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys have a great day and a great Saturday. Later, peace, bye.